How to change your TikTok username before 30 days on Android. This tutorial shows you how to contact TikTok support to bypass the 30-day username limit. First, open TikTok on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Edit Profile, and then tap on your username to confirm that the 30-day limit is still active on your account. From there, go back to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy and scroll all the way down to find Help Center. In the next step, tap on Help Center and look for the Chat with Us button and tap on it there. Following this, you will be taken to the TikTok support chat. Explain clearly that you accidentally changed your username and need to change it again before the 30-day period ends. Once done, you will likely receive an automated response. Reply by asking for a real agent to handle your request. From here, TikTok will then give you the option to submit a ticket. Tap on it and write out your situation again as clearly as possible. Finally, once your ticket is submitted, wait around 24 to 48 hours for a response. In most cases, TikTok support will allow you to change your username without waiting the full 30 days. And that's it. If this TikTok guide helped you change your username early, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.